Hey, hi viewers, this is Devashish. Today we are gonna cover string. String is same as other programming languages, just difference on syntax and rules in the Python. So, what is string? Okay, string is a sequence of character. Okay, it can be created by enclosing character inside of a single quote or a double quotes. Even we use the triple quotes as well. Okay, for multi lines string. Okay, and Uh, next, I will provide you some examples here. Okay, that how to define the string. Okay, as the previous chapter. Okay, we have defined the number. Okay, the same only we are defining string as well. Okay, in the double quote or a single quote. Okay, if you want to print any thing, you can print it by just giving this. Okay, I'm not. Okay, I will print all things. It's cool. Okay, you can see all are printed here. Okay, whether it is a single code, whether it is a double code, and whether it is a triple code, everything is printed here. So you can see here. Okay, we have defined the triple quote here, but also it takes a multi-line string. Let's move to the other chapter on this string, that is accessing character in a string. Okay, how we are gonna access the character from the string. Okay, so if you see, okay, what it is written here. Okay, it's individual character indexing and a range of character using slicing. So what is slicing? You have a mango, okay, and you want to slice something, so you just pretend this string as a mango, and you want to slice some of the part of it. Okay, so that is called slicing here. Okay, that comes from there only. So now suppose we have some string. Okay, we have something like, okay, we have a here devices. Okay, if you want to slice something from here. Okay, suppose you want to print. So how the indexing available here. Okay, so this is, okay, from starting position you can mark it 0. Okay, and 1 2 3 like that. Okay, and so on. Also from the last, from the ending point, you can mention, means you can slice this by other method like -1. Okay, that is also indexing from the end of the string. Okay, -1 -2 -3 like that. Okay, and so on. Hmm. So I'm just giving you one example with the positive one from the 0 to end of the string. Okay, so just to give an example, like, okay, suppose I want to get the zeroth position of string. Okay, what it is, let's see. Now you can see it is providing you result as a D. Okay, so this is D is a zeroth position. Okay, if you want to print last position of the string, okay, let's go and give a -1. Okay, you will get the H here. Let's see the result. Okay, now you understood the slicing part. Okay, how we are doing. So there is some other rule as well for the slicing. So how the slice works? Okay, so slice is having some syntax. Okay, slice syntax is, suppose I'm giving a triple line comment here. Okay, So this triple line, it also comes under the comments as well. Okay, if you run this one without giving without assigning any string or any string variable, then it is a simple comments. Okay, so pretend like that only slice. Okay, so the syntax is like, okay, suppose slice is start, stop, step. Okay, so here this is start. Okay, start is from the starting position, okay, where you want to slice it. Okay, suppose if you want to slice from 0, okay, then what you need to do, you need to provide the 0th position. Okay, and then you have to give a column, hmm, column, and you want to stop where you want to stop. Suppose you want to print, okay, till s, okay, not h. Okay, so h is your ending stop position. Okay, where h is available, okay, that is your ending position. Means h, suppose 0 1 2 3 4 5. So fifth is your ending position. So step is a what I can say, it's not a mandatory, okay, this optional thing. Okay, step is something, suppose you have 1 2 3 4 5, okay, and you want only 1 3 5, like odd number you want. Okay, that time you can provide the step. Okay, that you want to add odd number only. So what you can see, you can provide step 1. Okay, so it will always step 1 and it will provide you the numbers. Okay, so let's see if you want to give. Okay, I am giving you one list. Okay, what it will print. Now you can see there was, okay, so by default it is 1 actually. If you want to give a 2, okay, what it will give. So you can see how it is just jumping from D to V, okay, and B to S. So it is jumping to position. Okay, so this is how the step works. Okay, start, stop, and step. This is the slicing. So next part is our, let's see how to change or delete the string. Okay, see, string is a immutable. Okay, so we cannot change or edit the character of the string. Okay, if you want to assign some variable to this some variable, some value to a particular position, you cannot do. Okay, so let's see how it is. Suppose you have a my string, right? Or if you want to give something like my string, want to add, change something, my string. Okay, fifth position if you want to change. Okay, what is the fifth position here? 0 1 2 3, it's a comma. Okay, if you want to assign something like a, and now if you want to print my string, you will get error here. Now what is this? str object does not support item assignment. Okay, so this is the error. Okay, this type error you will get. Okay, so assignment things is not possible by the string. Okay, we are not going to do, or it will never allow you. Okay, so this is, you cannot change the, so that's why it is called immutable. Okay, now next is delete. Okay, for deleting, okay, how, so it is telling, okay, we cannot delete or remove character from a string. Okay, so if you want to delete or remove some character, okay, like if you are not able to change, okay, the character, then you cannot able to delete as well. Okay, so for this one you have a delete string position as fifth. Okay, and then print delete my string. Let's see what it is giving here. No, so again it is telling you the object does not support item deletion. Okay, before that, okay, it was a item assignment. Okay, you cannot assign the value. Okay, if you want to change something on the string, and now if you want to delete any item from the string, you cannot do it. Okay, but yes, you can delete you can delete your string. Okay, if you want to do the string deletion, you can delete very well. Now if you want to print my string, once deleted you won't see, because it will tell there is no such element available. Let's see how the error is. Okay, so now it is telling my string is not defined. It means it is not available now. Let's see the concatenation of two or more string. Okay, means concatenation is nothing. It's addition only. Okay, if you have two or three or multiple string, okay, you can join it. Okay, let's see how to do it. Suppose if you want to add this to string, I'm changing this. Okay, now print. So this simple concatenation we have. Okay, it's a plus operator only. You want to, you can see it is the Vashishmat. Okay, we haven't given any space here, so it is telling it is coming like that. Okay, let's give some space to here. Okay, so this is also a space I have added here, or concatenate I can say. Okay, now you can see the space is available here. Okay, okay, there is some string methods available. Okay, so that is we have a count in width. Okay, so what it represent, count is representing the number of times a specified value occurs in a string. Okay, and next is end with or start with. This return true if the number or string is ending with that character or something you character which you have defined or values. Okay, next is start with. Okay, that is also coming if the number is it is returning true if the specified value is available in the first occurrence. Okay, or start with any character. Next is find. Okay, it's find is itself is telling what it will do. Okay, so there is format. Okay, format is for value on a string. Okay, then upper indexing, lower splitting. So these all are methods available here. Okay, we will see some of the example like in with or counts. Okay, so let's run it. I already run it. Okay, so this. Okay, you can see. Okay, a dot count is h. Okay, so how many times the h coming? Okay, you can see there is 2 times. Okay, so that's why it is giving the 2 count. Next is and with, if it is and with h or not. So it is telling you, okay, it's a true because the a is ending with h. Okay, let's see if it's a start with what. It's a d, but I will give it. Okay, if it is true or false, it should give a false only. Okay, so it is giving false. Okay, next is So this format we are going to use in our Selenium lectures. Okay, so this is very important. So the dot format, okay, it will provide the formatting. Okay, like if you're providing some curly braces like that, and you provide inside of that, okay, whatever string you want to pass. Like I'm providing the devices. Okay, if you want to print it, okay, what it will print. Just see once. Okay, hello Devasi. So it is assigning this to this value. But if you have a multiple values, how you will do that? Okay, suppose you want to you want you have Matu as well. How you are going to do that? Okay, so if you give like this, okay, it will not recognize which one means where Devasi needs to be placed, where Matu needs to be placed. Okay, you need to provide now the position, okay, where it should. Okay, zeroth position will always pretend this value. Okay, one position is this value. Okay, let's see. Now you can see hello Devashmato. Now if you want to do some swapping here, okay, let's see what it will give you. Now you can see it's a hello Mato Devashish. Okay, it is not giving the Devashish Mato. It's mean this formatting is working correct for you. Okay, there is other methods also available. Okay, there is lower. Okay, convert string into lower. Okay, indexing it will search for the string. Okay, where the means and where the position available. Okay, or indexing. Next is upper. It will just convert the string into uppercase. Okay, format we already learned. Okay, find is there. You have to search. Split is something. Okay, you are going to use. Uh, Suppose you have some string. Mm, suppose okay, my string print. If you want to split some string, you can do that. Suppose my string dot split with what we have here. Uh, okay, let's do the space. Okay, now you can see what it is giving. Okay, now whenever you will do some splitting, it will provide the result in a list way. Okay, so make sure when you do some split and you want to get some value from it, okay, you need to learn some list as well. Okay, that we will cover on a next lecture. Okay, so thanks for watching this. I hope this will help you more. Okay, we'll meet on a next video. Thanks for watching.